you hear birds chopping away. My thread-waisted wasps chilling in the morning, using their legs to signal position of the thread, size, and what to do. We do see that's the ibis sounds in the background. We do see larvae in their nursery cells wiggle and spin the silk cocoon. Oh, look at that one come out. Beautiful scene. He's like, what's up? Do you have any intruder? No, it's just your buddy. No worries. I check you're trying to check me out. No, take it easy, man. That's how they protect their larvae. You do see larvae pupate and cocoon, spinning the silk cocoon. Yes, turning into adults. And that's how they protect their larvae. We do see the leg movement. Yes, beautiful scene.